अगर हम कोई स्टेट में जाएंगे, चाहे वो कोई भी स्टेट हो, छोटी सी छोटी स्टेट हो, बड़े से बड़ा स्टेट हो, उस स्टेट में हम खाली चुनाव लड़ने के लिए नहीं जाएंगे। हम खाली एक विधायक, दो विधायक जीतने के लिए नहीं जाएंगे, वोट शेयर बढ़ाने के लिए नहीं जाएंगे। अगर जाएंगे वो स्टेट जीतने के लिए जाएंगे। That's why I'm saying again, make no mistake, wherever we will go and start our unit, we will start to win the state. We want to be a platform of choice to the people of that particular state. We don't want to exist in the form of opposition, in the form of 3 or 4 or 5 MLAs. Whichever state we plan to start our unit in, it can be a big state, it can be a state in southern India, it can be a state in northern India, it can be a state in the northeast. Whichever state we start our unit in, our organization in, we will take BJP head on and we will start our unit to win the state. Let me put this simply, this across to all of you.
Mr. Banerjee,
भाई एक जन करके बोलिए, कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता है, एक जन पूछिए, आपको मौका मिलेगा, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ, 5 मिनट वेट कर लो, मिलेगा आपको, आप पूछना उसके बाद।
Mr. Banerjee, for the past 48 hours,
yes,
yeah, you just said it's been only 48 hours, but for the past 48 hours, one thing that is shadowing you is BJP's allegation of dynasty politics in Trinamool Congress. In the past also, it has been volleyed towards Mamata Banerjee. Now again, with your elevation, they are questioning what is the difference between Congress and Trinamool Congress. This too is an outcome of dynasty politics. Your first thoughts?
No, but I fail to understand. On one hand, BJP is saying Trinamool is a party which doesn't exist outside West Bengal. And on the other hand, they are rattled with my appointment. So what does that mean? आप एक तरफ कह रहे हो कि भाई तृणमूल का तो बंगाल के बाहर कुछ है ही नहीं, उसके बाद you're in rattle, you're perplexed because Abhishek Banerjee has been made the General Secretary of the All India Trinamool Congress. और मैं तो कहीं बार बोला हूं, फिर दोबारा दोहरा रहा हूं, whoever is tweeting, I can take his name. I will request Mr. Malviya to take the cab or drive and go to the houses of his bosses in Lutyens, Delhi. Make a bill that every family will have one representative and nobody else will be allowed from that particular family to enter politics or any public office for that matter. What is stopping them from executing? They have the numbers. They have the MPs. They are running the central government. Why can't they pass a bill in the floor of the house कि भाई एक परिवार से एक जन पॉलिटिक्स करेगा? ये आप करो, सबसे पहले इस्तीफा मैं दूंगा। मैं हर जगह पे ये कहता हूं, प्रीच व्हाट यू प्रैक्टिस। आप छोड़ दो, आप डायनेस्टी की बात कर रहे हो, आप तो डायनेस्टी टर्नकोट्स को लेते हो। टॉकिंग अबाउट डायनेस्टी, and why are you so rattled with my appointment? Why are you so confused? Why are you so bewildered and perplexed? जब तृणमूल का कुछ है ही नहीं आप कह रहे हो बंगाल के बाहर, तो इतना डर का क्या मतलब है? इतना डरे हुए क्यों हो आप लोग? मैं तो पूछना चाहता हूं इन ऑल ह्यूमिलिटी। और जो डायनेस्टी की बात करते हैं, मैं फिर दोहराना चाहता हूं कि आप ये पास करो, सबसे पहले मैं छोड़ूंगा। I have said this n number of times. आप जाके अपने जो लोग, किसी का बेटा एमएलए, किसी का बेटा एमपी, किसी का बेटा मिनिस्टर, पहले हटाओ। आप अपना हिपोक्रेसी को खुद एक्सपोज कर रहे हो। Amit Malviya doesn't need to teach me what is right and what is wrong, or for that matter, attack the people of Bengal. He just have to take a cab to the house of his bosses in Lutyens, Delhi, and convince them to pass a bill and put put a full stop to everything else. It is as simple as that. Why can't he do that? I'm